Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can create a community on Reddit. So let's get started. Firstly, open Reddit app in your device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next tap on create a community. Then write your community name. Then add description. After that, you can see the option of next. Tap on it. Then you can also add the banners or avatars if you want. After that, tap on next. Then select your topics. Choose any 3 topics you are interested on. Then tap on next. Then select your community type. Here I am selecting public community type. Then tap on next. So this is how you can create a community on Reddit. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.